Greetings from Bugis Street, level 2. What has happened to this area now? It has revamped to a lot of like ladies shop right here, and it's called somewhere at Bugis Street. So let's check out this area, man. Because the last month I came here in July 2026, there wasn't much stuff. And look at this. There are like three colorful like MRT seats here. Blue, yellow, and red. Somewhere at Bugis Street, somebody there will open the port for you. Is it like some kind of like hotel here? Somebody open the port for you? Where is it, man? Wait, there's a shop called Somewhere here. It is this shop? So I don't think there's a hotel here, man. Who will come to second floor of Bugis Street to check in a hotel? I don't think so. So that poster, I don't know what it means, man. So I'm preparing to like launch more shops over here. So let's see what they have here. Hair extension shop. More empty shops here. And surprisingly, they have the Somewhere at Bugis Street or many of the shops. And there's a new shop right here. Then some of the claw machines right here. I think here is a highlight. There's a standard photo studio. It's free to take photos right here. Or maybe, and there's some like rooms here. Some new shop. Are they going to launch Singapore first candy DIY bar? So more shops are coming. It's going to be exciting. I will do a review maybe 1 or 2 months later. Oh, look at this, man. It's insane. So beautiful. This is your new experience. Now we have more colors here. We have green, yellow, blue, and red. 4 colors. So it's a good photo spot if it happen to rain in Singapore and you want to have some place to chill out. I saw a lot somewhere at Bugis Street. It's like replicate. The name is somewhere only. The name is only somewhere. There are no other names. So many ladies' clothes. I don't see a men's t-shirt anywhere. Any men's stuff here. It's all ladies' clothes. So maybe it's a good thing I'm a guy. Because I just dress simple, not too much. It depends on occasion. Hey, there's a football machine here. And so many. It's makan time. Where should we go? Hawker center? I think it's quite popular at LZ. So if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, share, and subscribe so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Take care, everyone, and bye bye.